Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TCL Plex and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To set data limits, we must open Settings application. In it, choose first option Network and Connection and there Data Usage. In it, binding size, and there we can set data limit. First step we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on or turn off our data warming, and we can set in custom number in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. And the same story with data limit, we can turn on it and set in maybe on 4 gigabytes or megabytes in the same style as warming. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!